Good day to you all. Again, welcome you to virtual memory page replacement algorithms class. I will again explain the FIFO algorithm. FIFO means first in, first out algorithm. Now here the reference string is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the reference string. The length of this reference string is 4, 3, 7 plus 5. 12. The reference string length is 12. And there are 3 frames in the physical memory. Initially all 3 frames are free. All 3 are free. First we require the page 1. Simply you load the page 1 into the frame 1. Second, page 2. The page 2 is not in the frames list. Only one page is there in the frame 1, and frame 2 and frame 3, these two are empty, are the free frames. You load the page 2 in frame 2. So finally in 3 frames, first frame is occupied by the page 1, second frame is occupied by the frame 2, and third frame is free. Now the next page 3. Page 3 comes to here, and there is a one free frame, that is the third frame. You load the page 3 into third frame. So 1, 2, 3, these 3 pages are loaded into 3 frames, frame 1, frame 2, frame 3. So all 3 frames are filled with page 1, page 2, page 3. And there are 3 page faults. Now you require the page 4. The page 4 is not available in the frames because in these 3 frames only 3 pages are loaded. 1, 2, 3 are existing in physical memory. 1, 2, 3. These 3 pages are available in physical memory. 4 is not available in physical memory. So you have to select one page as a victim page for replacement. One page as a victim page for replacement. Which one you should select as a victim? According to first in, first out, you select one as a victim. ఎందుకంటే 1, 2, 3 పేజెస్లో ఫిఫో అల్గారిథంలో ఏదైతే ఫస్ట్ ఏ పేజ్ అయితే ఫస్ట్ వచ్చిందో దాన్ని విక్టిమ్ పేజ్ కింద సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తాం అకార్డింగ్ టు ఫిఫో అల్గారిథం. 1, 2, 3, among these 3, the first comes is the page 1 comes first. You have to select page 1 as a victim page. You have to replace the page 1 with page 4. Hence the frames, it contains 3 pages. Frame 1, page 4, frame 2, page 2, frame 3, page 3. Now then the next one is 1. 1 is not in this. Only 3 pages are available. 4, 2, 3. Just now we replaced the 1 with 4. The 1 is not existed in the frames. In 3 frames, again you select 1 as a victim. Among 4, 2, 3, which one first occurs into the physical memory? 2. Replace this one. Hence the frame is 4, 1, 3. How many page faults here? Up to now the page faults are 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is the 5. Now 4, 1, 3 is there. Next one is 2. 2 is not there. 4, 1, 3 is existing. 2 is not there. You have to replace, select the one victim page. Among 4, 1, 3, the first is 3 is first comes into the physical memory. So replace this 3. 4, 1, 2. Again page fault occurs. After that 5. 5 is not there. Among 4, 1, 2. 5 is not there. You have to again replacement algorithm, implement the algorithm. So select 4 as a victim page. Then 5, 1, 2. 5, 1, 2. 1 is there. 1 that we require the page 1. 1 is already in this. There is no page fault. 2 is already there. There is no page fault. And 3. Again 5, 1, 2. There is no page 3. You have to replace it. Among 5, 1, 2. You have to select one victim page. Which one comes first into the physical memory? Among 5, 1, 2, 1 comes first. So 1 as the victim page. You have to replace 1 with 3. 5, 3, 2. And then 4. 4 is not available in the physical memory. Only 5, 3, 2 are in physical memory. So no free frame. You have to replace 1. Which one among 5, 3, 2? Which one comes first? Recently 3 comes and 5 and the 2. You have to replace this 2. So 5, 3, 4. So 4 is there, 4 replace the 4, 5 is existing there. So hence all the pages are replaced. Total pages, page faults. Count the page faults. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 page faults. Forget this one. Total number of page faults is 9. For example, frames. You consider the 4 frames. Whenever the frames increase, page faults must be decreased. This is the general rule. So if you consider the 3 frames, number of page faults are 9. If you consider the 4 frames, page faults must be less than 9. That is the general rule. Now you consider the 4 frames. Initially, the same reference string 1, 2, 3, 4. You take the 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 free frames. Just you load all 4 first pages. 1, 2, 3, 4 pages loaded into 1, 2, 3, 4 frames. Hence, there are 4 page faults. Now the next 1 is there. There is no page fault. 2 is there. There is no page fault. 5 is not there in 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is not there in 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to select one page as a victim. Among 1, 2, 3, 4, which one comes first? Page 1. So 1 as the victim page. You have to select 1 as victim page and replace it. So replace the 1 with 5. Hence the frames it contains the 5, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 4. Now 5, 2, 3, 4. Now we require the 1. 1 is not there. 1 is not there. Just gone. The 1 is just gone. That is replaced with the 5. 1 is not there. We have only 5, 2, 3, 4. Replace. Select the 1 page as a victim. Among 5, 2, 3, 4. The first page is 2. First comes page. First page number 2 comes into the physical memory. Among these 5, 2, 3, 4. You have to replace this one. So replace the 2 with 1. 5, 1, 3, 4. Page fault is there. And again 5, 1, 3, 4. Now you take the 2. 2 just gone. Just gone the page number 2. So hence again you have to replace 5, 1, 3, 4. You replace the 2. So the simply according to the FIFO, 3 is the victim page. Replace it. 5, 1, 2, 4. After 2, again 3. 3 is not there. 5, 1, 2, 4 is there. 3 is not there. Just gone the 3. So again you select the victim page. 5, 1, 2, 4. Among 5, 1, 2, 4. 4 is the page number 4 comes first into the physical memory. You replace this. Hence 5, 1, 2, 3 are the frames available, pages available in the frames. 5, 1, 2, 3. So here the 3 is 4. 4 just gone. Again you select the victim page. Among 5, 1, 2, 3. 5 as the victim page. You replace it. Then 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. And then last one, page number 5. So among 4, 1, 2, 3, page 5 is not there. And select the victim page. The victim page is 1. You replace it. 4, 5, 2, 3. So how many page faults here? Initially the 4 page faults. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 page faults. So frames increase, page faults must be decreased. But the page faults are also increased. This is called Belady's anomaly. Belady's anomaly occurs only in FIFO algorithm. Only in FIFO algorithm. Belady's anomaly means whenever the frames are increased, page faults are also increased. This is the situation. In general, frames are increased, page faults must be decreased. That is in general. Just you take the another example for FIFO page replacement algorithm. This is the reference string according to our prescribed book 701 203 042 303 212 01701. These are what is the total length of this string? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19, 20. The length of this one is total number of bits in this reference string. Total number of. So totally 3 plus 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20 number of strings. Page fault rate is nothing but number of page faults divided by 20. This is the page fault rate. Just you calculate the number of page faults. Initially, the existing frames are 3. Consider 3 frames are free frames. So there are 3 frames. Whenever 7 page occurs, load the 7 into the first free frame. 0. The next string is 0. 0 is not in this one, and you find the free frame. Just you load the 0 in next free frame. So hence we have 2, 7, 0. Here the first page fault, this is the second page fault. If the page is not available in frames or the physical memory, page fault is there. Initially 3 frames are free. First 7 occurs. All 3 frames are free. 7 is not there. So load the 7. That is the page fault. 0 is not there. Page fault. Second page fault. Load the 7 0 into second frame. 1 is also not there in the 3 frames. So load and there is a 1 free frame. There is no replacement. Just you load the 1 into the free frame. So 701. So all 3 frames are loaded it with 701. 3 page faults and 3 frames are occupied with 701. 2 is not there in this particular string. 701. You have to replace. Now we use the replacement algorithm because there is no free frame. So among these 3, which page comes first? 7. So 7 as the victim page, replace that. Hence the string is 201. What is the next one? 0. 0 is there. That means there is no page fault. 3 is not there. Page fault occurs. Page fault occur and replace 1. Among 201, which one comes first? 0. Replace it. 2, 3, 1. 0 is replaced with 3. 2, 3, 1. 0. 0 is not there. So replace with 1. Like that you continue. How many page faults here? 4 plus 6, 10, 12, 15. 15 divided by 20 is the page fault rate according to the FIFO algorithm. This is about the FIFO algorithm. So exercise this one. FIFO illustrating Belady's anomaly. If the page number of frames 1, page faults may be 12. Frames 2, the same continue the page fault. Page 3, frames are increased, page fault is decreased. Now here see, frames are increased. In general, page fault must be decreased. But here, this is page faults are also increased. This is called Belady's anomaly. So if you consider the frames, number of frames are 5, page fault is decreased, 6, 7, that is continued. This is the Belady's anomaly. This occurs in FIFO only. FIFO algorithm, first in, first out algorithm. I will explain the remaining algorithms in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.